Have you heard of passing the hat? It's when you pass a hat around to collect money when you need to help a friend or a family member. In Sri Lanka, this was a very popular practice during the death of a member of the community. In fact, there were funeral societies that did this in an organized way. They collected money from its members before an unfortunate situation occurred and provided the accumulated fund to the family of the member who passed away. That's kind of how insurance works. This cooperative risk-sharing option is one of the fundamental concepts behind life insurance. By definition, life insurance is the legal agreement between an insurer and the insured to provide a sum of money to the insured's beneficiaries in case of his or her death. In other words, if you have obtained a life insurance policy, you have a safety net for you and your family. If an unfortunate event covered by the policy occurs, the sum of money that was previously agreed by you and the insurer will be provided as an income to support the beneficiaries. Basically, it replaces your economic value in case you pass away or can't work anymore. It is almost like buying peace of mind, knowing that your family will be financially secure in case the unforeseen should happen to you. It is ensuring that your family will be provided for, even if you are not there. Let's understand life insurance further. Imagine you're on this boat, going somewhere or just enjoying a ride on a lake. You don't ever intend to drown, but you really can't predict what will happen while you are on this boat. If an unfortunate event should occur and the boat topples over, or you accidentally fall in, then you can't be searching for a life jacket at that moment. You should have been prepared with the life jacket before you began your journey. Think of life insurance as this life jacket. Keep in mind that our life is a journey and we don't know how and when it can end. It is advisable that we are prepared to face anything and ensure that our loved ones are protected. Did you know that in Sri Lanka, only 14 out of 100 retirees have a pension, and that 50% of retirees depend on their children? The average monthly income of a Sri Lankan in 2016 was only 33,894 rupees. Almost 20% of Sri Lankans will be 60 years and older by 2030. Think about it. How prepared are you for retirement? You can invest your money in a savings account, or you can invest in the stock market, or you can invest in property or gold. Yes, these are good investment options that you can use to retire comfortably. But you need to be sure of the following. Will you be disciplined enough to save every month for the next 20 to 30 years? Have you considered the rate of inflation? What if you can't continue to work anymore or pass away? Who will continue your retirement plan? Who will provide for your family if you are not around? AIA has thought about all these things and have carefully crafted pension solutions to address these questions. At AIA, we provide tailor-made retirement solutions to customers according to their life journeys and their retirement goals. All these solutions protect customers against death or inability to continue to work due to disability. That is why you should opt for AIA for financial security in your retirement. Did you know that over 200,000 people are admitted to hospitals annually for heart-related diseases? Over 4.7 million Sri Lankans are hospitalized every year. Over 25,000 are diagnosed for cancer each year. 2 million Sri Lankans are pre-diabetic, with over 2 million confirmed patients. But at government hospitals, there are only 82 doctors per 100,000 patients. There are only 371 hospital beds per 100,000 patients. Surely, you want to ensure better healthcare for you and your family. You may want to consider private hospitals, but can you afford it? In Sri Lanka, 87% of private healthcare expenses are borne by the individuals themselves. You don't have to be in that percentage. At AIA, we provide tailor-made health insurance solutions to customers according to their life journey and health needs, so you can afford the best treatment for you and your family should you fall ill. It's not just about health and pensions. Of course, there are other needs to be considered. Higher education for your children, for example. You need to ensure some long-term financial planning and investments to help you grow your wealth. That is where AIA comes in, to help you maximize your investment with well-thought-out financial solutions that can protect you against life risks.